I've said to everybody from last season, even through to this season, I've just matured so much playing at Walsall, being in the team, being in training with first team environment. It's just such a bonus for me, and I'd advise any young player to go out and do it. Obviously under 21 level it's a massive honour, and I'm just happy to keep getting called up and being able to start in the team, and yeah, it's a massive honour for me and my family. The victory shared was a massive achievement in my career, and most people in this team was involved in that victory shield, so it was just a great memory to always look back on and a great achievement. Yeah, the senior team gaffer's obviously willing to give youngers a chance, and he's trusting them, so it's obviously a big boost for us, and it just shows that if we do well then we can get into that first team. Yeah, obviously it was a disappointing night. They was very clinical. I thought that we passed the ball around well, so we've kind of tried to take the positives from the game, but there was obviously a lot of things that wasn't good enough in our areas, and we've looked back at them and we haven't been playing as well as we have been in the other games, and we just need to get it out of our heads and focus on to Tuesday now. Yeah, it'd be great just to have the fans back and for us to kind of pull it right, and it'll give us an extra motivation, I think. I'm hoping everyone will get back down to the game.